But moving on, I want to share this. United States Consumer Price Index. So everyone talks CPI, month on month, year over year, etc. Most of you guys never looked at CPI on the historical scale. And this, behold, is a magical chart. And you can actually see how bad it's gotten in the past few years. So definitely had a little bit of a thing happen to fiat here. Go look it up. And then we've kind of been on a linear path, and then it's just been going bonkers. And now we're kind of into the parabolic side of it. So that's like the zoomed out, oh God, this is actually really bad. Zoomed in, core inflation hit a 3-year low. Now, it's still awful. The Fed's target is 2%, and we're still over 50% higher than that. It's awful. And somehow Nexus is speaking and watching this at the same time. So shout out Nexus. Shout out Nexus. This is the news that kind of rocked markets. And if you can guess, did the markets like the CPI print? They did. S&P hit an all-time high this week. All-time high. Inflation's high. Rates are up. S&P don't care. So we've kind of been watching this channel trend, and this channel walk's coming back up. To be honest, we actually kind of went above the channel. We're gonna keep looking at it. Also, shout out H1 Runnerbot print at 5,000 because it's up. Dow Jones as well had a killer week. Dow Jones hit 40,000. It's crazy, and everyone's betting and wanting a rate cut. Man, maybe they rate cut this year. I'm thinking Powell doesn't actually do that. Not Powell. Oh yeah, Jerome. Powell does that, but market is flourishing under the heavy inflation numbers and the interest rates. Regardless of all the doomsayers, it's just the truth. And we have to adjust. A lot of the metrics are off, and that's just the way it is. Looking back at NVIDIA, if you look at my Squiggleverse, this is one of the only other main real stocks that I like looking at on the main scale when you look at like S&P and Dow Jones and stuff like that. This thing broke down, ricocheted, moved back up, and I had a bunch of different drawings when I was explaining accumulation and distribution, but we'll just kind of keep them there because it started to break down, and it was on such just a tear of a run. I'm thinking maybe it actually comes to the bottom side here, but apparently it's not. So it's actually looking like it may be some type of redistribution or reaccumulation. I honestly don't know. If I pull this stuff off, I don't really want to, but I don't really see a pattern yet other than the break of the channel walk, but it's definitely found support. Albeit this is a bit of a range. 26, that's a lot of volatility, but we just got to keep an eye on it and see what happens. Dop's been talking.